Hey guys, I'm Sunnykids, and today I'm new to YouTube. My YouTube channel is called Sunnykidsaj. My username's Sunnykids. My jags are open. My buddy requests are always open. I'm nearly at full buddies though, so yeah, I only have 88 left. 88 spots left. And yeah, today I'm just going to be telling you a little bit about me. First thing about me is my favorite color is orange. My two favorite animals are a penguin and a fox. My foxes are usually my main animals. This is my favorite look. It has a sheep cloak and stuff, but yeah. Next thing about me. I love Jelly Jones, the Shot King, Apari, Wisteria, Beppa, Wisteria, anyone, Animal Jammy, and I also like Minecraft videos, like popular MMOs, Gaming with Jen, Dan TDM, Audi Shadow Lady, yeah. And I also like Dennis and Alex, who play multiple games. Next thing. I just started YouTube in this year, 2018, and I love it so much, and it's just the best thing. And I can't speak while typing at the same time. Say hello. So yeah, I love any fans. I don't mind being swarmed. My den is always open. Don't mind if you do trading. And this little dude, penguins, yeah. And yeah, go buddy this dude or girl, sorry. Yeah. Next thing. I don't like scammers. I don't like hackers. Please don't hack me. I'm never saying my password. I will reply to a couple of comments. The person in my den's a phantom. Yeah. I love randomness. I love any gift. You can even send me a necklace or anything kind of weird. Yeah. I love derpiness and kawaii-ness, so. Oh, and I also love masterpieces. These are some of my favorite masterpieces. I got this masterpiece from Jaffers. Next masterpiece is this amazing dog from Ellie Cat 3165. This Indian masterpiece from Silverstorm 792. My most absolute favorite, I can't pronounce that. I'm not going to try because I don't want to offend any person. This is the best. Jammer Green 113. I love this one. I also have move. I also had I have tons of masterpieces. It's incredible. Yeah. These are just some of my absolute favorites. I have Button 4 and Arnia. Yeah, I think that's how you pronounce it. So, yeah. I hope you know a little bit more about me and you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope I see you around. Bye, guys.